Casillas, did you understand your rights as I read them this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have a felony charge of continuous violence against a family member. And you have some misdemeanor charges, violation of a bond protective order, interference with emergency request for assistance, and unlawful restraint. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on those charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
That puts down for yes, public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Casillas, are you gainfully employed?
Yes,
Where do you work?
I'm a department supervisor at Lois Hardware.
Okay, you graduated from high school, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Academy del Sol, it's one in Mexico.
Okay, and you have some college under your belt as well,
Yes, sir.
and you're supporting a child.
Yes, sir.
Nothing further, Your Honor. We ask for a much lower bond than the county attorney and the district attorney are asking for.
Good. I am going to remain at $10,000 on the continuous violence against a family member. It does have an emergency protective order. Some of this is in contingency with your three charges on the county. So I'm going to go over with you on here a document, and I'll send it out to you, and you can look over it and read it. And I'm going to highlight what you can't do. The protected person in this case is his wife. She is your spouse. Things that you cannot do is you cannot commit any further acts of family violence or stalking against the person protected. Can't directly, do not directly, or let me rephrase that again. Directly communicating with the protected person or member of the person's family or household in a threatening or harassing manner. This is valid from today's date, 2nd October through the 31st of December of this year. Any questions on that protective order, sir?
No, I don't think that. It just means I can't talk to my wife.
In a threatening or harassing manner.
Okay, so I can still communicate with her about our child and basic financing.
Yes.
You
You just can't do it in a threatening or harassing manner.
Am I allowed to see my daughter?
Doesn't list her. Well, it does. Same things on her. You can talk to her, but you can't go by any school that she might be at, daycare or whatever. You can't be at those locations.
We'll put her on the phone.
Okay. All right. So on that particular charge again, that's $10,000. On the violation of the bond, the original violation of your bond or protective order, the county attorney's office has recommended a $3,500 bond with those same conditions that I just gave you on the other one. They'll go with this one too. That's $3,500. Any interference with emergency request for assistance, a $2,000 bond. Unlawful restraint, $2,000 bond. So that's $475. The $17,000 worth of bonds, I believe that's what that adds up to. Okay. Any questions, sir?
Yeah, is there any way we can bring that down a little bit lower, Your Honor?
No.
I have work that I have to go to, and I have $1,700 for me to.
I'm not going to lower it. If you want to get with your court-appointed attorney, and they wish to address it with the court that has assigned your case, they might reduce it, but I won't.
I put this in a rush to get your attorney in on it. Yeah,
you probably already got one if these cases are pending on the misdemeanor side. Does he have a court appointed already?
I don't believe so, Your Honor, no.
Okay, if you don't have any other questions, sir, you're free to go back to your holding cell there. Thank you.
And Judge,
Sledge, do you understand your rights as they were read, sir?
Yes.
Okay. You have charge or possession controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram. Do you need a court appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes.
Put you down for yes. Public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Sledge, do you have any criminal record at all?
No, sir.
Nothing at all?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you graduate from high school in this town?
Yes, I apologize.
Okay. Okay. Are you gainfully employed
Yes, sir.
at the same job for how long?
2.5 years at Amazon.
And have you lived in Amarillo long?
My whole life. Whole life.
Your Honor, we'd ask for a personal bond in this case.
Yeah, I don't do personal bonds on felonies, but I will reduce the bond from 5,000 to 3,000. With conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous, illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician. Any questions, sir? All right, thank you.
I think about 3.
Mr. Jackson, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir, I did.
You're 18 years old?
Yes, sir, I am.
You have a charge here of aggravated robbery. That's a change in the charge according to the paperwork that was sent over. Originally, it was aggravated robbery, which again, it's still the same, but they changed the level or something of it. So what was your bond originally set at, do you know?
500,000.
So, okay, so nothing's changed here. Public defender, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. I didn't get a chance to interview Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson, are you still in school?
No, I'm looking to find my GED or trying to get a GED.
Okay, are you employed?
No, sir.
But you're looking for work.
Yes, I'm looking for work.
Okay. Your Honor, we asked for a much lower bond than 500,000. There's no, evidently no dead person here. It's not a homicide in any way. And the 500,000 is exorbitant for this sort of crime. Thank you.
I'm gonna leave it at 500,000. If the district judge wants to reduce it, then see your attorney through that. Does have some stipulations on there. Number one is within 72 hours of release on bond, you are ordered to wear or carry a GPS device. And that cost of that is that you must pay the charges for that. You have to be at your residence from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. unless you are employed and you're at work or going to or from work. You must not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas or any other state, those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol. And you may not possess a firearm or ammunition while you're out on bond. You have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Do you understand your rights as I read them to you, ma'am?
yes, sir.
You have a charge of injury to a child or elderly person or disabled, causing bodily injury. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Nester, are you trying to homeschool a child?
Yes,
Okay, so that you need to be back to do that.
yes.
How long have you lived in the Amarillo area?
Over about 6 years now.
Okay, do you live with family?
A boyfriend.
Okay, do you have any criminal record at all?
No,
Not a thing.
just this.
Thank you, everybody, ask for a reasonable bond.
Okay, we'll set your bond at $2,500. Does have some stipulations on there. The arrest record here just shows that you were picked up by on a warrant, so I don't know the circumstances of your case, other than the fact that they issued a warrant on it. But some of the conditions on there, you are to have no direct or indirect contact or communication with the victim. You are not to go within 200 yards of the residence or place of employment of the victim or other specifically named places. That specifically named places is if you know that victim is in Walmart shopping, then I would probably wait until they got done shopping. And then you can go in. That way you're not, you don't violate anything. Same thing at a grocery store or something. You know that they're just wait until they're gone and then go in. You are not to commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol, unless so prescribed by a physician. Have any questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
We need about 2.
Do you understand your rights as I read them to you, Jose?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a bond surrender for driving while intoxicated 3 or more times. Since that is a bond surrender, the judge that has assigned your case will set your bond at his convenience. So there's no bond set in this matter. Any questions, sir?
Not today. I'd like to ask you for your attorney to file a motion to send one.
So I said for me.
I mean, get it good to get back. Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Barnes. Do you understand your rights as I read them? You might want to scoot up just a little bit more. And on your left side, there's a little black box over there. That's where I get to hear what you're saying. So you don't have to bend down and look at it, but you can kind of, make yourself aware where that is. You have a charge of assault causing bodily injury to a family member, Class A misdemeanor. Do you need court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, put you down for yes. Public defender.
Thank you, Mr. Barnes. Did you get your GED? Yes, sir. Okay. Do you have the promise of job starting as soon as you can? Yes, sir. So you need to get out for that. Yes, sir. Do you have any violent or sexual convictions? Yes, sir. Did you go to high school in this area? No. Nothing further, Your Honor. We'd ask for a much more reasonable bond than the county attorney is asking for. This is just a misdemeanor.
Okay. We'll set the bond at $3,500 with conditions. This does have an emergency protective order. I'm going to read the whole. It's a 7-page, 8-page item. I will highlight the items in here. It's valid from today's date, October 2nd, 2025. The protected person in this matter is house. She resides at you are again, I'll send this out to you so you can look at the whole thing over but the highlights of this are that you cannot commit any further acts of family violence or stalking, communicating directly with the person protected by this order or a family or household member in a threatening or harassing manner, communicating a threat through a third person to your spouse or other people in the household. You are prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition, going within 200 yards of the residence, place of employment, or other known places that you know that she may be at or frequent. that you can putting any tracking devices on our vehicle, cell phones, so forth. This is valid for a period of 60 days through December the 3rd of this year. You have any questions on the protective order, sir? Again, I'll send that out to you. The only other thing on it, Mr. Barnes, is you cannot commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state or those of the United States while you're out on bond. All right, thank you, sir. Adrian, do you understand your rights as they were given?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a charge here of reckless driving. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that, or do you wish to furnish your own?
Yes. We've applied for a court-appointed attorney for him, Your Honor.
Okay, put you down for yes, you can always change your mind. I'm gonna issue a personal bond on this charge of reckless driving. It's a personal bond of $1,000. I'll give you some information on things that you need to follow in order to keep that bond in effect. The only condition is that you do not commit any other violations of the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States while you're out on bond. Okay?
Sir.
All right, thanks, sir. Jessica, do you understand your rights as they were read?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a charge of criminal trespass. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you wish to furnish your own?
I'm sorry.
Do you have an attorney already? You should apply for one on the list.
I haven't talked to him.
But one assigned to.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, puts down for court-appointed. Public defender.
I thank you, Your Honor. We concur with the county attorney that the personal bond is appropriate. I would ask for a 1622 exam.
Okay. I'm not gonna recommend a personal bond on this one because this is the second time in the last week that she's been arrested for trespassing. So I take that last time she got a personal bond, not doing this one. Set your bond at $1,000 with conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, those of the United States. A 1622 exam is also ordered, and you have 30 days after release to go to Texas Panhandle Centers or another licensed mental health professional. Take that exam, and they will send that back to the court system within 30 days. Have any questions, ma'am?
I wasn't allowed to go back there. I thought it was just a one-time charge. And when I got out, I was staying there for about 3 days until me and my boyfriend got to an argument, and that's when I just.
All right, I'm not here to discuss your case, ma'am. I'm just here to set your bond, okay? Thank you. Mr. Rocha, do you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
You have a charge out of Randall County for bond surrender, possession, and control of substance. You already have an attorney on that?
That's what it's.
I didn't know I had lots of.
Do you need an attorney?
I have it.
Do you have one? He already has an attorney, Your Honor.
All right, we've been done. They have recommended a $4,000 bond, which I'll follow, with conditions you do not commit any other violations of the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Any questions, sir? All right, thank you.
I don't know, I just did, I was confused, I didn't know I had lots of it. Yeah, because I've been reporting with them.
Okay, I'm hearing a little garbled in there. I'm not making out what you say. I don't set the bonds on those. I do what they recommend, and that comes from their county attorney or district attorney's office in Randall County, and they've recommended a $4,000 bond, and that's what I will stay with, sir. Okay. All right. Thank you.
About 400.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Naylor, do you understand your rights as I read them? Okay, you have probation violation, manufacturing, delivery, controlled substance penalty group. 1, more than 4 grams, less than 200 grams out of Randall County. Do you have an attorney already on that?
I have a court appointed one.
Okay. Is that on the original charge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're probably gonna need one for this charge because it's a different charge. It's a probation, yeah, it's a probation violation, so, I mean, you handle Randall County as well, don't you? For public defender?
No, sir, Randall County's not a participant.
I'll put you down that you want a public defender to appoint you an attorney or their court system. Or you may use the same one that you got. When you get back to Randall County, you might get with them about getting an attorney appointed to counsel for you. They've recommended a $25,000 bond. If you cannot make that bond, then Randall County will be notified and they'll come get you, take you back to their facility.
So,
Any questions, sir?
that's it.
All right, thank you. Afternoon, sir. Do you understand your rights as I read them? Your constitutional rights, did you understand those?
Which I know, my dad, almost, but like that, I'm with the car. You know, I would.
The rights that I read you were that you have a right to an attorney, a right to remain silent, not make any statement at all. Did you understand those?
That's when you play for.
Okay. All right, sir, you have a charge of bond surrender for DWI out of Moore County. They've recommended a $1,500 bond. Do you have an attorney already in that case?
I would have, but I'm here, I got nothing here, you know, I'm ready now, that, don't charge me here. I don't have, I have done here, but I already done in the past year, I got no case, you know, ready.
We do Moore County,
What I would do, yes.
Miss Public Defender, do we do Moore County?
I believe we do, yes, we do, certainly.
I'm gonna put him down for yes on a public defender. And if you can't make that $1,500 bond, then Moore County will be notified and they'll come get you. Okay, take you back to Dumas probably. What it look like, or Border, one or the other. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
all right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
We need $150 or something.
Justin, do you want Raymond to come in tomorrow?
The first one, I can wait for him. If he's ready to be arraigned or magistrated, we could get him today. I mean, his bond has not changed any, so,
Yeah, he's still not in the room, Judge.
okay. Well, let me get this guy that's in front of it, and we'll discuss that.
Need you to have a seat.
Yeah, they'll come get you.
John. He needs to have a seat. We're not done with the arraignment yet. We're still talking to the